Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I'm back again with a new video. So let's identify the levels. Okay, so in today's session we are going to see the things as per the levels, and I taught this strategy LV. So let's see what's going on in the market. Okay, so right now you can see here, this is the entry of the sellers. Okay, so now what's going on here? Okay, I can go here with the sellers easily. I have taken my trade here in a down direction because you can see here this is the level. This is the level, and candle closed exactly at the buyer's area, previous buyer's area, which will act here as a resistance, and this time L plus V will work here for sure. You will see here a huge rejection, and you will see here a bearish candle. So let's see what's going on and what will be the result of this trade. Okay, so now you can see here market will definitely close here as a bearish. The chances of this candlestick to go up is 0%. So you can see I won this trade. Okay, so after this again I need to analyze the market and I need to draw the level. Now you can see here, you can easily see here that this is the level. Now this time you can see market will definitely go down here, because you can see here the sellers are fully in control and I'm not seeing any kind of rejection. So buyer's entry is not here. Okay, buyer's entry is not here. So because of that, this candlestick is breaking the level and it has to go down. So I took my trade here in a down direction, and now you can see, if I want to show you here, you can see here it was a reversal area. This time candle broke the level strongly, and I'm not seeing any kind of buyer's entry in this candlestick, so therefore I went with the sellers, and you will see here a winning trade. So let's analyze the market more. Okay, so this time you can see here, buyers entered from the lower side, and they are trying to make a bullish entry, but we need to wait here at least for one candlestick, because you can see here at this time sellers are very much strong here, so therefore market is trying to go down. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I need to identify a level near to this area. Now you can see this is the level. So this is the second level, so I need to wait. Okay, now again I can go here with the sellers easily. The market will not reverse at all, because you can see here sellers are still in control, and market is breaking the level here, this level. So there is no lower rejection, no buyer's entry in it. So because of that, market will definitely go down, and it has to close here again as a bearish candle. Okay, market will definitely go down, because you can see, if you think that this is a Marubozu candle, no, it is not. So you need to also analyze the psychological factor behind each and every candlestick. Then you will understand that if this is a Marubozu, why it is going down, and if this is a Marubozu, why it is going up. So this is the thing, you will see here a winning trade. Okay, so right now you can see here I took 3 trades in this zone. The first trade was here, because you can see this is the level and market closed exactly here. Let me change the color. Okay, now you can see here this is the level. Okay, it is very much visible for you all. Now what happened here? If you analyze that market, you can see here market came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up again. It came down and went up. It means that this is the level, a strong level. So because of that, when market closed here at the level, I took my trade, and now you can see still market is going down. So this is the way to take your best trades. Okay, so this was my first trade, and after that you can see here I took another trade. Now, as I was talking about that, we need to analyze the level, and you can see here, this is the level. Okay, buyers entered from this zone, buyers entered from this zone. Now if you analyze the market, you can easily see that in this candlestick broke the level, and you cannot see any kind of buyer's entry in it. So therefore I took my trade with fully confidence, and I took this trade in a down direction, and I won this trade also. So after that I took another trade in this zone. So now you can see here this candlestick broke this area. Now if you analyze the market, you can easily see that this is a momentum, and you can see momentum is getting much stronger. So the presence of buyers is not here in this candlestick. So therefore I went with the sellers, with the strongness of the candlestick, and now you can see how we won our trade. So you can easily see here one thing that so again you can easily see that. Okay, so after this weakness of the candlestick, you can see after this weakness of the candlestick, you can see buyers entered into the market, and now you can see buyers is going up, again going up, but now this time again coming to exactly that level, and now you can see market is coming down again, because our levels are accurate. So therefore we can easily win our trade. Okay, so as you saw that how I was taking my trades, I explained each and every trade. Let's review the trades again. Now you can see here, let me show you the easiest areas. Okay, now you can see I took my trade here. Now if you analyze the market, it is very much visible, it is very much understandable thing. You can see buyers entered, again buyers entered. So it is showing to us that this is the area which we can trust because of the reversals. You can see these two areas are showing to us that these are the buyers reversal points, and now exactly from that level now you can see seller's entry. So it means that it is showing us that it is acting here as a resistance. So therefore we took this trade, and therefore we won this one. Okay, so after that again I took my second trade. Now let me zoom it a bit more, that it will be helpful for you all. Now you can see here, you can see this is the level. Okay, now what happened here? You can see again the same thing, buyers entered. Okay, now it is done. But now in this candlestick, what you are seeing here, You are seeing here a strong candlestick having no rejection from the lower side. It means that at this time the sellers are very much in control, so therefore you can take your trade in a down direction and you can easily win your trade. You can see I took my trade and I won this trade. Although you can see here, let me show you here a bit more. Now if I analyze the market like this, now at this time you can see, okay, this candlestick is closing exactly at the level. Buyer's entry, again buyer's entry, now this time seller's entry, this time rejection. But now the question arises, why this candlestick is not going up from this point as per the level? The reason behind is very simple. This is a strong seller's entry. This is a very strong seller's entry, and the main thing which you need to focus is that there is no rejection. There is no rejection. So because of that, I took my trade confidently and I won this one. So let me show you here the last one. Okay, so right now you can see here I took my trade in this zone. As for this area, this was the level. You can see this is the level. Now I took a trade here with this candlestick. Why? Again, a same theory. You can see there is no rejection, and you can see momentum is going on. But now at this time I am not seeing any rejection from the buyers, so I followed only the momentum, and because of that you can see I won this trade. And after that market reversed, market went up, again went up, now reversed. Why? Because our level is accurate. This is a accurate level, this one. So because of that market reversed. Now after this candlestick, again let me show you here. Now you can see again buyers are trying to enter into the market. Okay, now you can see here this is the level. Okay, let me show you here. This is the level. Now at this time you can see here it is a strong candlestick. Okay, a very strong candlestick. And now what it is showing to us, that there is not enough rejection. So because of that, again the same theory, market went down and closed here as a bearish. But this time you can see candlestick is very weak. You can see here candle is very weak. Now the possibility of buyers are very high to enter into the market. Why? Because you can see buyers tried here from the lower side and from the upper side also. They showed their presence in this candlestick. In these candlesticks there was no buyer sign, so because of that market was continuously going down. But this time you can see a strong buyer's presence showed in this candlestick, and on the left side you can see a buyer's entry too. So it is a cross confirmation that you can easily go here with the buyers. So because of that market closed here right now as a bullish candle. So this is how you can easily take your trades. This is how you can get your profits. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and try to subscribe more and more, and try to comment and try to help each other. I was busy and there was also a bad internet disconnectivity issue I was facing, so therefore I was unable to make any videos. So right now I am again back, because now I'm not facing that issue right now of internet. So if you want to learn more, you can join our Telegram group. You can subscribe my channel Trading Skills, and try to share the videos with each other, and try to learn what I'm trying to tell you all. It is very much easy and understandable. So stay blessed you all. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now.